Welcome to room 622 at Riu Palace Las Americas. The rooms here, you have to put the key in to get the electricity going in the room. So there's a slot right there. Right next to the door there is the in-room optics or liquor dispenser. It has white Bacardi rum, Smirnoff vodka, Jose Cuervo tequila, and Presidente brandy. They refill the bottles as needed. Coffee machine, some glassware, ice bucket. Have your mini bar down here, which is refreshed daily. It has Dos Equis beer, Sprite, Pepsi, some club soda, and some large and smaller bottles of water. Over here is the bathroom. Part of the bathrooms were redone. They took out the tubs and they put in shower only at this resort. So it has a huge rainforest shower head up here, along with a body wand. Place to put your stuff. Some extra towels up there. So as you can see, there's plenty of room in the shower. So that was completely redone in the renovations. And double sinks. The water here is non-potable, which means you cannot drink it from the faucets. So they give you these huge bottles of water so that you can use it to brush your teeth or drink. There's a couple of glasses in here as well. They give you some toiletries, basic toiletries. The rest of the stuff is ours. We've been here about 4 days, so the room is definitely lived in at this point. Mirror, magnifying mirror, as well as hair dryer, separate toilet area. The bathrooms here have a separate door, so you can close it so there is bathroom privacy. Digital safe, iron and ironing board, lots of hangers, extra linens. So the closet area is pretty big. Full-length mirror. This one has 2 beds. Actually they're double, but they feel more like a full size, so there might be 2 full-size beds here. End table, reading lights right there, huge headboard, phone, drawers. This is usually a place to put your luggage. Lots of room here to put your luggage and stuff here. And the junior suites have 2 steps down to a seating area. This is not a sofa bed, it is just a love seat with a coffee table, some lighting. The other side is a flat screen TV and 8 drawers. So there's lots of drawer space here in this particular room. And here's the balcony. It has 2 chairs and a table and a drying rack over here. And this is our view. They haven't completely done away with the balcony railings. Most of the rooms have plexiglass for balconies, but on floors 3 and 7, I believe, are still the posts where it's difficult to see the view unless you stand up. If you want to know more about this resort or other resorts in Cancun and the Riviera Maya, you can visit my blog at allinclusivegal.com.